we all instinctively understand the difference between a hammer and a symphony orchestra. One is a tool, the other a collaborator. Yet as we stand on the precipice of an age defined by artificial intelligence, where exactly do we place AI in this equation? Are they an extension of ourselves, an advanced tool, or something else entirely? In today's fast-paced technological evolution, the lines are blurring. AI is no longer just a technological advancement. It's becoming an integral part of our workflow, our creativity, and even our identity. The rise of generative AI has been nothing short of phenomenal. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E have transformed how we write code, craft marketing copy, and even brainstorm ideas. But these tools are just scratching the surface of what's possible. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, we're entering a new phase of human-machine interaction, one that goes beyond simple automation and dives deep into collaboration. In this video, we're going to explore the exciting possibilities and complex challenges of human-AI collaboration. So buckle up and join us as we navigate the fascinating intersection of technology, creativity, and what it means to be human in an increasingly AI-driven world. Our journey through the history of human ingenuity reveals a profound truth. Our most significant advancements have never been solitary pursuits, but rather the result of unique partnerships. From the first rudimentary tools crafted by our ancestors to the advent of modern technology, every leap forward has been marked by a harmonious blend of human brilliance and the tools we create. In this historical perspective, AI doesn't just appear as a revolutionary outlier, but rather the next significant chapter in this age-old narrative. Let's take a closer look at the birth of early expert systems in the 1970s and 80s. These were some of the first AI programs designed to mimic the decision-making process of human experts in specific domains. But they didn't operate in a vacuum. They were developed by teams of engineers, scientists, and domain experts who provided the foundational knowledge and context that the AI could learn from. This symbiotic relationship between human expertise and nascent AI technology laid the groundwork for everything that followed. But why is understanding this historical progression so vital? Because it allows us to see AI not as a disruptive force, but as the next logical step in our collaborative event. Just as we've partnered with tools throughout history, we're now extending that tradition to AI. Recognizing that our greatest achievements will likely come not from competing with machines, but from working alongside them. This might seem obvious, but the implications are profound. It shifts our perspective from one of humans versus machines to one of humans and machines working together. And as we move forward, it's this mindset that will serve as the cornerstone for successful human-AI collaboration. As we delve deeper into the concept of human-AI collaboration, it's essential to acknowledge that we read not just talking about the highly publicized use cases in science fiction or the headlines about AI replacing certain job roles. Instead, we're focusing on a more nuanced and significant aspect of how AI is transforming our world. Human-AI collaboration is about harnessing the unique strengths of both humans and machines to achieve outcomes that neither could accomplish independently. Let's take a closer look at this concept through two particular lenses. First, let's consider the field of medical diagnostics. Here, doctors are increasingly being assisted by AI systems that can analyze medical images and patient data with speed and accuracy that surpasses even the most experienced radiologists. However, it's important to remember that AI is not replacing doctors. Rather, it's augmenting their capabilities, providing them with an additional set of eyes and data-driven insights. This allows doctors to make more informed decisions, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. The second lens we can look through is creative design tools. Take, for instance, the rising popularity of AI-powered software for graphic design. These tools enable users with little to no design experience to create visually appealing and effective graphics by simply providing the AI with some basic parameters and keywords. But these tools aren't meant to replace graphic designers. Instead, they're meant to democratize the design process, allowing anyone with an idea to bring it to life. For those who are artistically inclined, these tools open up new possibilities, allowing them to experiment, iterate, and refine their ideas faster than ever before. These examples illustrate a broader trend that's happening across numerous industries. Human-AI collaboration isn't about one or the other. It's about leveraging the strengths of both humans and AI. Humans bring creativity, intuition, emotional intelligence, and the ability to solve novel problems. AI excels at processing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, making precise calculations, and performing repetitive tasks with unwavering accuracy. By combining these strengths, we can achieve outcomes that were previously unimaginable. It's this synergy between human and machine that leads us to a crucial point. Human-AI collaboration isn't just about utilizing AI tools. It's about co-creating with them. It's about establishing a partnership where humans and AI systems work together, learn from each other, and grow together. It's a partnership that promises to unlock unprecedented potential and drive innovation in ways we've never seen before. As we continue our exploration of human-AI collaboration, it's important to address a critical aspect of this partnership: trust. Can we truly collaborate effectively with AI without a deep sense of trust between humans and machines? Trust is fundamental to any successful collaboration, and in the context of human-AI partnerships, it's especially critical. We need to trust that the AI we're working with is reliable, that it operates within our ethical boundaries, and that it's working toward the same goals that we are. But how do we build that trust? Through transparency, accountability, and a shared commitment to ethical behavior. We need to ensure that AI systems are explainable, that they can be held accountable for their actions, and that they adhere to the highest ethical standards. This is not just a technical challenge, but a societal one. It requires collaboration between engineers, ethicists, policymakers, and all of us who have a stake in the future of human-AI collaboration. Let's take job displacement, for example. As AI becomes more capable, there's a valid concern that it will replace certain job roles. Building trust in these collaborations requires proactive measures to reskill and upskill workers, ensuring that they have the necessary capabilities to thrive in the evolving job market. Another critical area is bias. AI systems can inherit and amplify biases present in the data they're trained on. To build trust, we need to develop AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and do not perpetuate societal stereotypes or discrimination. Ultimately, building trust in human-AI collaboration is an ongoing process that requires continuous dialogue, collaboration, and a shared commitment to responsible AI development and use. It's only through these efforts that we can ensure that human-AI collaboration benefits all of humanity. As we envision the future of human-AI collaboration, one question emerges as a beacon guiding our path. What kind of world do we want to create? The answer, undoubtedly, is a world that harnesses the boundless potential of AI while preserving and enhancing the qualities that make us uniquely human. This vision guides us as we navigate the opportunities and challenges of the future workforce. The traditional boundaries between employer, employee, and independent contractor are likely to blur, giving way to a more fluid and dynamic work environment. This shift will demand a reimagining of our roles, responsibilities, and ultimately our identities in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Take, for instance, the rise of AI-powered tools that assist in writing code. This development is not just automating a task, but reshaping the very nature of being a software engineer. In the future, the ability to code will not necessarily be defined by one's occupation, but by one's interest and skill. AI will handle the mundane aspects of coding, leaving room for humans to focus on the more creative and strategic elements. However, this evolution also presents challenges. As AI takes over routine tasks, workers will need to adapt and acquire new skills to remain relevant. This underscores the importance of lifelong learning and adaptability in an era where the pace of technological change shows no signs of slowing down. Furthermore, the future workforce will see the emergence of entirely new roles that are inherently collaborative. For example, we'll need professionals who can train AI models, ensuring that they operate safely, ethically, and with the desired level of accuracy. Others will be tasked with monitoring AI systems, identifying potential biases, and making adjustments to ensure fairness and equality. These roles are just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the nature of our work, demanding new skills, new mindsets, and new professions that we can't even imagine yet. Yet despite these challenges and uncertainties, the future of human-AI collaboration holds immense promise. By embracing the changes ahead, investing in education and training, and fostering a culture of lifelong learning, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to not just survive, but thrive in the AI-driven economy of tomorrow. Humanity's next leap. Unlocking unprecedented potential. As we stand on the threshold of what promises to be the most extraordinary chapter in human history, the possibilities for human-AI collaboration are nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine a world where the boundaries of our imagination are the only limitations, where the challenges we face today seem small compared to the triumphs we're poised to achieve. Think about the grand challenges that have shaped our past and present, from unraveling the complexities of climate change to conquering diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. Now picture a future where AI and humans work hand in hand to dismantle these challenges, brick by brick, molecule by molecule. With AI's unparalleled processing power and analytical prowess, combined with the intuitive creativity and strategic thinking of humans, we become a force of nature, capable of shaping the world according to our deepest desires and most ambitious dreams. No longer hindered by the constraints of time, resources, or even the laws of physics as we currently understand them, we can push the boundaries of what is possible and venture into realms once thought to be the exclusive domain of science fiction. The most thrilling aspect of this prospect is that it's within our reach. The technologies and tools needed to usher in this new era are not some distant fantasy, but are being developed and refined right now. Every line of code, every algorithm, every improvement in processing power brings us closer to this transformative partnership. As we stand here today, it's essential to remember that the future is not predetermined. It's a canvas upon which we can paint our hopes, dreams, and aspirations. The story of human-AI collaboration is one that we get to write. It's a story of innovation, of progress, and ultimately, of triumph. A triumph not just for ourselves, but for all humankind. The future of human-AI collaboration is an exciting frontier, filled with both opportunities and challenges. As we continue to navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential that we do so responsibly, ethically, and with a clear vision of the kind of world we want to create. By embracing the changes ahead, investing in education and training, and fostering a culture of lifelong learning, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to not just survive, but thrive in the AI-driven economy of tomorrow. The future is ours to shape. It's a future where humans and AI work together to solve the world's greatest challenges, to push the boundaries of creativity, and to unlock a new era of prosperity and well-being for all. The question is, are you ready to embrace the future? Are you ready to collaborate with AI and shape a better tomorrow? Together, we can make it happen!